Gua banangich ka Thok Nath kana Thok English bukonditi banagoro banakangach titini ka phrases ke dobrieni chalga ke dobrieni kujame chalga ke dobrieni ka Thok Nath kana content bukon ke ngejen walle brodu chupal ping ka liengda ka dob dandir ka ngai keja mi jiram jidit gua same ka ngich banangejen walle ka Nuer Language School gorjen ojin de channel de support del subscribe ko meeting in Michigan da shamala shubeke jika pet banji chu talk bija gurno bija karan manana chalat chana je talk. I am getting up. I am getting up. I am getting up man lo da jana en jiacharo I am getting up en jiacharo mishawo I am getting up lurnodi en jiacharo which will happen on. I am praying to God. I am praying to God. I am praying to God maluda and palakut and palakut. I am praying to God and palakut. The larnon. I am praying to God and palakut. Guadame michi wenena. I am watching my face. I am watching my face. Namelur nodi hen laka nyamda. Tangun lakon alar no nene eno kokon de kolar no en laka wang da. Namo lakon malalar no. I am watching my face. Do you know lo de latok hen laka nyamda. Shiwan laka wangda. Maybe mishilarno nene I'm watching my eye. Dirkularo de and laka wangda. Do no guadame nene. I am watching my face mulunodi and laka nyamda. Watching lura nimmi laki door. Face lura nyamdu. And laka nyamda ki and laka wangda. Dere namo deje use. I am doing exercise. I am doing exercise. Guadame mulot ke janene en lada lat de lana en lada lat. Guadame la pol point mulude lurne exercise de kolaro de en lada lat pol point en lada lat pol point en lada lat pol point de lara no en lada lat pol point. I am doing exercise. Dilaro en ladalat ki, or you can just say that en ladalat pola point. No more de la mogo akadop dan dire nankaja. Wana guatemene. I am taking shower. I am taking shower. Lurno nena guasme en puaka lurnodi. I am taking shower. Shower lo no puak, no we puak, ku puak gear, ku puak pure con la pen can we naturally shower. Taking a mechanic and kana shower. Di la do no katung nuer cha taking chale la madala no en puaka. En puaka I'm taking shower. En puaka eno katung na la we no. En puaka lo no di I am taking shower. En puaka wana guadman. I am eating breakfast. I am eating breakfast. Look no guadame and chama kun ron wang and chama kun ron wang and chama kun ron wang. I am eating breakfast and chama kun ron wang. A mission and guadame chow I am eating breakfast. Lo no and chama kun ron wang. Eating lo ne miet. Okay, ke mi chama do breakfast kun chami kurun wang. Michelaro nene kide kon ron wang michao I am eating and meta de larno no micho I'm eating and meta do no michalel I'm eating a breakfast be meta dan be ger balaro de and chama kon ron wang ki hen meta ka kon ron wang de larno no be gar pin gwad me copy nen de gor gwad me de en mesa ka kon ron wang dere gornon and meta ka kun ron wang meaning I am eating breakfast na me dere jilwak godan gorjeno dere tok Nath kana tuk English dere jang aikeje wana pingwase me. Tekon ke mrodiene me I am listening to the radio. I am listening to the radio. Gwad lo nodi hen lianga radio. Hen lingnen ke radio dere gorno no. I'm listening to the radio and ling ni and ke radio de larno no and lingnan ke radio. I am listening to the radio de larno. I'm listening to the radio mulunodi and lianga radio ke, or you can say there are two things here. And lianga radio, you can say it that way. The other way that you can say it and ling nihan ke radio and ling nihan ke radio. Wana guatame. I am going to work. I am going to work. Mulunodi and wallet. I am a chagluno han. I am. Chirka I han. Mishigulel I am going to work and wallet. No. You are going to work. Jin willet mulunodi. I am going to work and wallet. Dere kabanono. I am coming home. I am coming home. And shabenching no. Chikonde larno no. Guatame ehen watching. I'm coming home and watching and batching. De larno no. And a benching something like that. I'm coming home and a benching. Let me change this. Hanna beni chang chi sheng and a beni chang. Like to na la da gera sheng and a guad me sheng but me yom not gorge be job jager and a beni sheng ba cheng. Okay. La cheng yo mi roi ni jin be job jager yo mi shi wanang cheng yo bala jen cheng la na pe la san but guad me sheng me lo no home and beni cheng. I am coming home. Ke mu wilarno ne I'm coming home and a beni sheng. Shabagwa and a beni sheng katodan liri nanga je Thok Nath wana guadamene. Tukon ke I am making dinner. I am making dinner. Dinner poni luno kwantiang, okay? Kwantiang. Luno digo I'm making dinner. Luno di and tala kwantiang. And tala kwantiang. I am making dinner and lada kwantiang. Making a melody. Kede larbano tale. But in this context, Michao I'm making dinner, shiriko larno ditama and real kwantiang. But Michalar and tala kwantiang. It means that you are saying I am cooking dinner. Okay? Cooking jello tadon kejen ludo bado batal. I'm cooking tada. And tala kwantiang I am cooking dinner. In this way, Michao I'm making dinner, lurno di and real kwantiang. And lada kwantiang de larnon, okay? And lada kwantiang. I am making dinner. And instead of me larato nene, I am entala kwantiang lunodi. I'm cooking dinner in this way, okay? Dere migujon dere use I'm making dinner lunodi and lada kwantiang, but I'm cooking dinner lunodi and tala kwantiang. I believe you get the difference. Okay, let's move on. I am watching television. I am watching television. Watching can television again device and la video like I am watching television be took hen and gwecha ke television and gwecha ke television. I am watching television and gwecha ke television. I am watching television and gwecha ke television. I am going to bed, or you can say I'm going to sleep. Thok Nath kel. When you want to say I'm going to bed or I'm going to sleep, you can say it and watoj and watoj. I'm going to bed, or you can say it I'm going to sleep. You can just simply say it and watoj. That's the meaning of that. And watoj mean I'm going to bed. Let's move on to this part. I'm watching my clothes. I am watching my clothes. Mancharoj mandan chikola do watching mean malakidur. Okay, I'm watching my clothes. Clothes panken ke beni munodi. I am lurinihan. In that context we can say and laka bienika and laka bienika, meaning I am watching my clothes and laka bienika and laka bienika. I'm watching my clothes. I am cleaning my house. I am cleaning my house. Cleaning lord ne chot mi yeje door ke chot the door. hours lode ne duel. Okay, mo ku kono nanga yo ke lode I'm cleaning my hours lunodi and chota and chota duel. Okay, you can say the and chota duel, or you can say and yacha duel, and chota duel or and yacha duel. Okay, you can use two ways here. They mean the same thing. And chota duel or and yacha duel. The meaning of and chota duel is I'm cleaning my house, and yacha duel mean I am sweeping my house. Okay, that the meaning. Titi kana konde kon kengejen walle mi jirama jirit gwa sama kan Nuer Language School channel goro jin bi channel ji support ban nyaw je kengido dien bi atakamal.